If you are planning to start a business in Connecticut, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to start an LLC in Connecticut even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether you should file it yourself or use a formation service like LegalZoom to make the entire process hassle-free. We'll cover all of that later in this video, so let's get started. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Forming an LLC protects your personal assets, offers pass-through tax benefits, and gives you flexible management with fewer formalities. Plus, Connecticut is home to over 350,000 small businesses, making it a strong and supportive place to start and grow your business. And then we need to choose a name for your LLC. Now, your LLC name must be unique and distinguishable from other businesses registered in Connecticut. It should include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or L.L.C. Now, to check the availability, you need to go to the Connecticut Secretary of the State Business Search. Enter your desired business name. And if no matching results appear, the name is available and ready to use. Now, for future planning, you can reserve your LLC name for 120 days by filing an application for reservation of that name. They'll cost you like around $60 fee. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Every Connecticut LLC is required to have a registered agent. Because for one, they receive the legal documents and state notices. They must have a physical address in Connecticut and must be available during normal business hours. Now, if you want to act as your own registered agent, you can do so, but you need to meet the state legal requirements. And then what we need to do next is to file the Certificate of Organization. It's essentially the foundational document that officially registers your LLC with the state. Now, submitting this document can be done by going to the Connecticut Secretary of State to legally establish your LLC. Now, the required filing fee for the Certificate of Organization is around $120. You can file online for immediate approval or by mail, which typically takes 3 to 4 weeks for processing. Now, for expedited service, you can have an additional $50 fee that can reduce approval to 24 hours for online or mail submissions. Although Connecticut does not legally require an operating agreement, it's highly recommended because it defines ownership and responsibilities, explains how profits and decisions are handled. It helps protect your limited liability status. This is especially important if you have multiple members, but even single-member LLCs should have one. Next is we need to get an EIN or Employer Identification Number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. After that is filing annual reports and maintain compliance. Connecticut mandates an annual report filing for all LLCs each year to remain active, which can be done and submitted online through the official Connecticut Business Portal. There is going to be a filing fee of $80, which is required to accompany your annual report submission because timely filing ensures your LLC maintains good standing with the state and complies with all the regulations. Starting an LLC in Connecticut isn't always easy. especially with different fees and processing times to consider. Now, don't worry because we will walk you through 3 different ways to create your LLC later so you can choose the option that works best for you. You see, traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and can be really stressful. Now, hiring a registered agent is more efficient, yes, but it can get expensive. Now, what if I told you there is a better solution using a formation service called LegalZoom? LegalZoom is an online legal service company that helps people form businesses and handle other legal paperwork without having to hire an attorney or a registered agent. They guide you through these steps to create a corporation, nonprofit, especially LLC, and other business entities in any state in the US, including Connecticut. The good news is, if you haven't signed up with LegalZoom yet and want to support our channel, you can use our affiliate link in the video description, which will forward you to a new page. If you want to do the work yourself, you can go to the basic plan, but it's kind of limited. And if you wanted to have more options, you can go and upgrade to the Pro plan, which gives you all these perks and benefits. But to unlock all the tools and features, you might want to go to the Premium plan. Whichever plan you wanted to go to, remember you can use our affiliate link, which is in the video description. Let's say you choose the first option. You will be forwarded to a new page, and all I have to do here is enter your business name and then click the next button. Here we need to select the state, and that's going to be Connecticut. If you want to provide your business email address or phone number, you can do so, but if you don't want that, click the next button. From here, we need to select the industry that is related to your LLC. In our case, that's going to be affiliate marketing. Now remember to use our affiliate link in the video description to get started with LegalZoom and click the next button. And then from here, you see that there are a lot of information involved, but do not be overwhelmed because LegalZoom is here to help you out. Okay, so if you wanted to have a personalized notifications, fast and easy filings, peace of mind, you can do so. You can select a plan, but for now, we're going to click the no thanks. These are added services. Now, as you may notice, you can save time and money on essential documents by having all these. If you're not sure and decided yet, do not be afraid to click the no thanks. Now, when you form an LLC, it's also a wise decision opening a separate business bank account because it protects you legally, simplifies finances, and helps your LLC grow professionally. Now, you can choose from any of the following. You can choose Mercury or Bank of America. But if you don't want it for now, click the no thanks button and you have more information around here. Now, if time is of the essence and you wanted to get your business going already, you might want to go to the 1-day expedited processing along with the founder's kit. But if you don't want that, click the no thanks and click the next button, which will forward you to a new page. As you can see, using LegalZoom is very straightforward, a hassle-free experience, and hands down the easiest way to go. And that's it. Registering an LLC in Connecticut is actually pretty simple if you follow these steps the right way. Choose a unique business name, appoint a registered agent, file your certificate of organization, and stay compliant with annual reports and taxes. If you're confident and want to save money, file it yourself through the Connecticut Secretary of State website is totally doable. But if you want a faster, stress-free setup with help on paperwork and compliance, using a formation service like LegalZoom can save you time and avoid costly mistakes, especially if you are a first-time business owner. Either way, forming an LLC gives you legal protection, credibility, and the solid foundation to grow your business in Connecticut. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss our step-by-step guides for starting an LLC in other states as well. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.